Well, with Live Good, one of the nice things about the company is we're always debuting new products, usually just about every month, okay? Here we are, the first day of February, and last week our CEO Ben Glinsky said there's about 12 new products that are coming out in the next couple months. Well, we have a couple of them that have already hit our website, okay? So if you're in Live Good now, awesome. Go to the products page, and I'm going to show you what they look like. And if you have no idea what Live Good is, I want you to simply look at my screen and click that joincory.com. And I want you to watch the video. There's a 6-minute video of Ben Glinsky. Okay, he's our CEO. He's going to talk about the products and the opportunity, how to earn money as an affiliate and everything else, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and show you the website to Live Good. All right, now go to the products tab. And here's our products. You can see we have multivitamins for male and female. We got protein powder, chocolate and vanilla, magnesium, super reds and super greens. These are the two products that brought me into the company. And I'm a coffee maniac and I love energy. So I'm a big fan of this organic coffee. And then check out this E3 too. But CBD oil, we have amino acid fruit punch, we have CBD pain relief cream and CBD oil. All right, we have patches that you, I don't know, put it on your shoulder blade or maybe put it under your arm when you sleep. And if you need some energy throughout the day, just kind of hide it a little bit. Like I said, put it, I don't know, on your chest area or something. But anyway, collagen, and we got the creatine, essential oils. Now, I'm getting down to the bottom here, and right there above my head, here's one of our new products, CBN Sleep Gummies. Okay. All right. They taste good. Check it out, man. You want to wake up refreshed, not be so groggy in the morning, and just increase deep sleep. Okay. Everyone has a sleep problem, but I think melatonin and, I don't know, probably smoking some hooch. I mean, man, there's a lot of people that do a lot of things that try to improve their sleep, right? Well, check this one out. The CBN Sleep Gummies. They're brand new. And if you want to know more about any of our products, just click the little rectangle there that says Learn More. It'll tell you the exact ingredients, how to use the product, how much the product is just normal retail, or if you want to be a member, it's only $9.95. Okay, you get wholesale pricing on every one of these products. So that's what you should look into. Okay, right now we got the gut support. We got some of this moss just selling off the shelves. And all right, even this detox is doing really well. Now, on this line, these are new products too. All right, the Vital Glow Hydrating Moisturizer. Okay, soothes and calms the skin. Make you look dead sexy. There ain't nothing wrong with that. And instant youth. And then try the Ageless Renewal as well. All right, and then Ben, our CEO yesterday, was talking about he's going to increase the size of these bottles. He's going to double it up even and make the bottles bigger. And the pricing is barely a difference because we're a wholesale-based company. Remember, guys, we're not a retail company. You don't come to Live Good and shop like Walmart or Amazon. You can, but if you want to join for $9.95 a month, guys, you have wholesale pricing. Why not spend $10 to save 50? Because that's why I became a member. And then to be an affiliate for $40 for life. If you just spend $40, you're going to be considered an affiliate. Okay, you're going to keep your membership going. You can order products if you want, but you don't have to. If you just want to be a cheerleader of Live Good like I do, like I am, all right, I buy the products. I mean, you can see I got super red, super greens, amino punch. I think that's the coffee right there. I always have CBD oil. You put these little drops underneath your tongue to make you relax and cool out, okay? I always shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Okay? But if you want to buy the products, awesome. If you don't worry about it. But if you want to earn money, just do that $40. It's the best $40. Two $20 bills, guys. One and done, and that is it. You do not buy products to earn commissions with our company. You just become an affiliate for $40. You maintain your membership. And that is it for life. That $40 is a one-time for life. It's almost like these tattoos I got all over myself. All right, I got them like 40 years ago, and they just fade. That's all. So why not be an affiliate? All right, it's a lot of fun, guys. I didn't know I'd be successful at this. I have over 400 people signed up just personally, and they're signing up people and so on and so on. And Live Good's almost a household name right now at this point. So, all right, guys, thank you. If you have any questions, I'm not shy. Get a hold of me. My email address is Cory@CoryDraper.com. Okay, easy. And then if you don't mind, can I show you my little business card that I made? This is how I recruit. I keep things simple. Joincory.com. You just click it, watch that little movie, and if you want to sign up, you're going to enter your name and email address in the little box when you click this link, and that's it. You're going to get a nice email from LiveGood, and click it. And you know what? If you want to join, just put a username, password. You can set it up with MasterCard, Visa. We even have cryptocurrency, all right? I think through BitPay, and we have another place that you can pay if you're in a country that just don't have banks. Maybe you don't even have a Visa card, okay? But you guys work it out. We accept payment worldwide, guys. We're in over 200 countries, all right? We're kicking butt right now. So thanks for your time. Looks like I'm at the 6-minute mark, okay? Joincory.com. And that's it. And thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel, okay? And I hope you enjoy the new products that just came out. We have about 10 more that are going to debut in the next 1 to 2 to 3 months as well, okay? All right, guys, take care. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye.